I was thinking about when we sometimes share with others about difficulties in our lives. The other person might say, well, if it makes you feel any better, I'm in a worse situation, or some derivative of that. And I started to wonder, what is it that makes us attempt to make others feel better by showing them that we're in a bad situation as well? Is that something that we inherently learn? Of course, it's always helpful to talk with someone who also knows what your situation feels like. But I feel it's also important to be mindful of what we say to each other. Ephesians 4:29 says, "Let no corrupting talk come out of your mouth, but only such as good for building up." God tells us, hey, your job is to encourage people, not bring them down. The things you say should build them up, not break them down. And the Bible is right. What we say to one another, even hard truths, should be said in and with love. We should be offering joy to lift them up when they're weighed down, and should be the life jacket that's going to carry them to their next point. And guess what? Even if you are encouraging them through your own pain, you might find that you've given yourself the strength you need to make it through your situation as well. I hope that someone finds a reason to lean on you for encouragement. Speak God's word boldly and give them a reason to hope again.